So we actually have 4 cabinet lines, and we also have a custom cabinet maker if you need that for your kitchen or bathroom. And I think we actually added a 5th cabinet line actually recently, just for specialized vanities, which is really cool. But you know, this one is one that we've had here for years. We really like it. One of the advantages of this line, it is made to order. All of our cabinet lines are made to order. Some of them are more semi-custom than others. Like for example, different cabinet lines, you can make them in 3-inch increments. You can make them reduced depth, but there's, you know, specific ones. Some of them you can go down to 1-inch increments if you need to. This is more important for a kitchen, honestly. Some of them you go down to a 1/4-inch increment and a lot more wood species. But this one's nice because we get them fast. So if it's something you want done, we don't necessarily have to wait 2 or 3 months for this particular cabinet line. These things can come to us in about, you know, 3 weeks sometimes. So if you're doing a full bathroom, now we have to go through the ordering process and process the folder and place the order and everything. But we like it. If something comes in damaged, we can order another one on a rush thing. As long as it's less than 5 boxes, they turn it away. They turn it around like 2 weeks from the factory. So for bathrooms, when you don't want to wait 4 months, you know, for your cabinets to come, it's pretty nice. And they have some, you know, they have the grays and the blues and a bunch of different door styles. Anyway, it's pretty nice.